Hello, hello. This is how to save your work in PhotoPea. So all you need to do is just click on the File button at the top left corner. And in this drop-down menu, click on Export As, or just hover over it, and the other drop-down menu will appear. And most probably you're gonna want to choose PNG or JPG, whether you have a background or not. So if you have a transparent background, just choose PNG. And if you have a regular image like I have right here, just choose JPG. So I'll just choose JPG. And now it's gonna allow me to determine the quality of the image. And if you notice, it's gonna change, like once I change this slider of the quality, it's gonna change the file size over here. So right now it's at 12 kilobytes. So if I change it all the way up to 100, it just changes it to 62 kilobytes. So that's not too bad. I'll just keep it at that. And now I can just change the name of the file. So green butterfly. And I can also change the format once again if I want to change it back to PNG or something else. I can do that, but I'll keep it at JPG for now. And yep, that sounds about right. Let's just click save. And now it's saved to my computer, so I can just open it up. And I have it right here. So yeah, this is how easy it is to save your work in PhotoPea. Hope that video is helpful.